Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can request edit access in Google Drive. If somebody shared file with you but you can only view it, there's actually a way to ask the owner for the edit access so you can then work on the file. So as you can see, I have some documents here. If you don't know which documents are shared with you, you want to go to this shared with me section. Now the first thing I'm going to show you this PDF file. So what you can do, you can right click on share, and here you can see that I am only viewer and I cannot manage access or edit anything. So here you can add email of yourself, and then you're gonna choose the role. So you can choose editor, and if you click on send, it will send a request to the owner that you want to be editor of that file. If you want to do this with Google Apps, it's even better. So for example, I have this Google Docs here. If I open the file, you're gonna have this request edit access button. So you can click on this and you can choose the role which you would like to have. It will be sent to the owner of the file. As you can see, you can type some message here that you want to get editor role, then click on send, and it will send email as well to the owner, and then they can decide if they want to add editor role to you. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.